Product variation can be a huge problem for businesses. It can lead to unhappy customers, returns, higher production costs, and issues with operations. It can happen during manufacturing, shipping, or when the product arrives at the store. Unpredictable quality can shake customer trust. Main features of product heterogeneity. 1. Reasons for different products, material inconsistencies, machine or tool wear. 2. Benefits of various commodities, facilitating personalization, fulfilling different customer requirements. Why product variety matters to business. Having multiple options enables companies to produce for more customers. Unwanted variation is, however, a problem. Producing products. One clear and usual cause of product variations is the production process. With any form of production, there will be variations from the perfect or ideal product. Basic materials. The second big reason why the products are not the same is due to the raw material employed to produce them. Companies tend to source raw materials from different providers, and those providers tend to source their inputs from still another source. Why product differences arise. A comprehensive explanation. It is important that operations or product managers know why product variation happens. There are a number of consistency factors ranging from raw materials to operator habits. 1. Raw materials. Raw materials play a significant role in the variety of products. Any variation in quality, their origin, or status will lead to differences in the end product. 2. Poor product design. If product design does not reflect what users require or is outdated, it is sure to result in huge discrepancies in production. 3. Ineffective operations. Not being able to regulate nor comprehend processes effectively brings about major discrepancies. 4. Inexperienced or untrained staff. Skilled labor is very crucial in keeping the products the same. If the employees are not properly trained or motivated, it affects the quality of products. 5. Inadequate testing. Inadequate testing or erratic testing creates huge quality problems with the product. Quality control and how it impacts product differences. Strict quality control is important to make sure products are always up to standard. How to avoid product changes. 1. Employ good quality raw materials. Good inputs create good outputs. Using regular and consistent raw materials greatly minimizes the occurrence of variations in the final product. 2. Establish tightly controlled quality. A strong quality control system is very important. It helps find problems early on. Regular checks and clear procedures help keep products up to standards during production. 3. Use the most recent technology. Investment in newer technology and newer machines helps manufacturers to manufacture products with better precision and reliability. 4. Utilize experienced product managers. Product managers play a very critical role in maintaining product standards. A skilled product manager oversees all stages of development. 5. Train your employees. Your employees are involved directly in the production of items. Conclusion. The product may vary, but we monitor its origin to ensure quality and keep customers happy. Quality control, expert teams, and sophisticated techniques counteract undesirable variation. Using product variation well can spark new ideas and help grow the business.